right. So we got our top rings for the passenger side all set. I'm going to check the second rings, and then I'm going to assemble these cylinders. Get the pistons in. There's piston for number 2 right there. All right, coming along. So here we are. We got the piston and rod for cylinder 2. I got the rings already. Bearings in. Ready to put this baby in.
Hey, look, 2 gay guys.
What the fuck, bro?
I think this hurts.
Don't hit me. I'm not being bad. Okay. Told you. All right. Cylinder number 2. First piston of the build going in. Got the ring compressor.
If you use the air hammer, it'll go faster.
Right, I agree. Make sure you use the pointy piece.
Chisel.
You get more displacement, too, if you beat in the head of the piston.
Yeah, if you lose compression.
Allegedly.
Yeah, allegedly. There's no proof to this as of yet. Just because there's a hole in the top of the piston.
All right.
So go figure. Bobby
She's
needs
in.
something super, super long to put it in the hole.
Well, yeah. I mean, that's what this is for. There it is. One piston in. Yay!
So I guess I'm just standing here to look pretty and hold
Well,
shit.
yeah. 'cause
What's
you were on
new?
Video and then
Right?
Xander beat you to it.
Looks pretty
As
good.
usual, beauty came before age.
That's why I'm here.
Age?
But I'm going to do you a favor and I'm going to fix your ratchet.
Hi.
Hi. Just getting the rod cap. I just cleaned it off. Gonna lube it up.
Don't some pistons, they, like, break them apart, so it's, like, a perfect match?
Oh, yeah, you mean rods?
Or rods, not pistons.
Yes, they do. Like the ones that were in the 5.4 out of Ken's Expedition, those were fractured. You cannot resize those. These have been resized. No. Tang. We go tang to tang. One second. Getting the rod cap on.
It's funny, he's pulling nuts out of his mouth.
Good God. Scotty's laughing so hard, he's losing it. He's breaking up. I've never seen him come apart like that.
The look on your face was fucking priceless.
All right, so I got the rod nuts on that. I'm just going to hand tighten that until I have all the rods in, then I'm going to go through and torque it.
Now, your ratchet's nice and tight and I buried a screw deep in your hole.
All right, just set it up there because that's only for doing the ring compressor. All right, let me just snug that up and be good.